I like the back to school area, but then yet again, I hate it. Because it makes me think of school. But I think it's fun to like pick out the back to school supplies. Like I'm not back to school shopping now, but I'm just looking through and flying through. They have a bonus pack. These are 63 cents. Nice. These are slap bracelets. I just got a Snapchat. Wow, they're moves. So cool, so cool. There's this creepy person following me. Wait, can we go look in the locker stuff? Oh my goodness. Whoa. I saw this before. I want this. Ooh, coffee. I want this turn on. There we go. I think that was once just so bad. I like this one. I like that.